Scan. Today I will talk about Space Spotlight, Missouri. Do you know Missouri is where? Missouri is in the west, the north in the USA. Then you can see it here. Missouri. What's special about it? It is here, like beneath the Washington D.C. That you can see it close to the Washington D.C., but it's not the closest to Washington D.C. In the previous lesson, I talked about you for Florida. Now it's Missouri. What's special about Missouri? Missouri has rivers that flows. Sometimes it floods, or sometimes it has a hurricane. That you can see, if hurricanes are come, people will drive cars away, like flood, hurricanes, earthquake, or some can damage the house, damage the floor, or damage the beach, or damage the people, that damage everything. That there are earthquake. The earthquake is the floor is like swinging, like it's ringing, like you will fall, or some earthquake is large than it can flood a house, and a tsunami. It can be a tsunami. Tsunami is one is the dangerous one. It has a force, and the house can be flew away because the tsunami is super strong. It's like this. And this is the people. This is the houses. Because the houses have a weight of, it's hard on weight. But the tsunami is the water that in like liquid. Liquid can go into house because it's many, and it can go into flood. And if it's a hurricane, a big storm, that will make the everyone stay in there will be go in the hurricane. That is dangerous. That you can die in that, because if it's it will end in 100 meters to 1,000 meters. That will fall. You will fall that. Then you will die because it's a tall one. Because if you see hurricanes like this, here it's formed by big storm, and the earth is shaking, and the storm will make the wind, and it's the wind plus dust plus clouds. This will make the hurricane. Then you see hurricanes made of house weight. It can go into wind, dust, and cloud. It's dust, and it has wind. The dust will mix, and it's the dust, but the wind will flew the dust in the circle. Then the cloud will will go into and form in a hurricane. Some hurricanes made in the dirt on the land. Some hurricanes made in the water or the beach or the water that you can see in the beach, that you can see in the weather forecast in the beach, or some houses live in there. It will fly away in the hurricane that you can see. The hurricane is bigger than the tornado. The tornado is smaller than the hurricane. Do you know why? The tornado is a small hurricane that you can see, and a hurricane is big 10 times than the tornado that you can see. Missouri is that close to the beach that you can go in Washington DC and you go into beach. Like if you go to Missouri, and the previous lesson I told about you Florida, you go to Florida, you have a beach, but be careful because it can be a hurricane or flood. Thanks for listening to me. Goodbye.